Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kraken 2FA for secure trading, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Kraken two-factor authentication, once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security tab in the settings menu. Click on the security tab to access various security options. Find the section labeled two-factor authentication. You will see two options, one for SMS authentication and another for Authenticator app. For enhanced security, it is recommended to use an Authenticator app. If you choose to use an Authenticator app, download one from your device's app store. Popular Authenticator apps include Google Authenticator and Authy. After installing the app, go back to the Kraken security settings. Click on the Enable button next to the Authenticator app option. A QR code will appear on the screen. Open your Authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on your Kraken account. The app will then generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back into the Kraken security settings. After entering the code, click Enable to activate two-factor authentication. You may also want to set up SMS authentication as a backup option. If you opt for SMS authentication, select the Enable button next to SMS authentication. Enter your mobile phone number in the provided field. Kraken will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Check your phone for the verification code and enter it into the corresponding field on the Kraken website. Once you submit the code, SMS two-factor authentication will be activated. Always keep a backup of your Authenticator app's secret key. This ensures that you can regain access to your account if you lose your device. With two-factor authentication successfully activated, your Kraken account will be more secure. Remember to always log out of your account after trading. Now you are ready to trade securely on Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.